welcome back to Vacuum Do Us Part. The day has finally come. We are working on my beauty room slash office. It is driving me insane, but we're definitely doing this on a budget. I bought a few new pieces and then I'm working with the stuff I already have. So if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe, and now let's get into this clean and decorate. Okay, I'm going to show you a little quick look at it before. It is a disaster. We've been buying pieces. Chase went ahead and put the vanity together last night. I'll show you a few clips of that so you can see it was pretty easy to install, but everything's just kind of getting crammed in this room. And this is like where I work. This is where I get ready. So I'm like, okay, this is it. We have to get it done. But we ended up ordering the vanity slash desk, whatever you want to call it, from Wayfair. So thank you to everybody that suggested that. I'm so thankful to finally have it. But now I'm just going to get in here and just start putting everything in its home that I can. So before I start decorating and cleaning, I'm just going to tidy up as much as possible. So as you can see, I'm just putting everything away that I can. A lot of these pieces on this desk are things I'm going to be using to like organize either the drawers or my necklaces. You can see them back there on my vanity lights. That is not okay. They're all tangled, so I'll be working on that later. So right now I'm just kind of putting everything away that's possible, and then everything I'm going to use I'm kind of keeping off to the side. I don't want that to leave the room so I don't forget to use it.
Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now.
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start working on getting this desk cleared off. So if you're new, this used to be an L-shaped desk, and I just took one of the sides and put it over there to like make do until I could get a new one. So I am so thankful to have this one that's like white. It's not see-through. It has a drawer, so I'm actually going to have storage. So I'm so thankful I finally found this piece. I want to thank Jaws for sponsoring today's video. This is a company that I absolutely love. I love their products. They are always in my home. This is a product that I use every single day of my life and love it. I love that they're non-toxic because my daughter helps me clean, and I just like knowing whatever product she pulls out, it's going to be safe for her. I love that they're pet friendly. We have a new puppy, George, and he licks everything, so I just love knowing it's safe for his little belly if he does get some. And it's also eco-friendly, so they don't ship you full bottles just full of the liquid. They ship you the bottle and then you just order refills as needed. And so this currently is the one that needed the refill, so I wanted to show you guys. But you just fill it up with water, you put the pot in and screw it on, and it is so good to go. It is so much fun and easy to do. I think it's such just a great idea. I'm gonna leave their coupon code down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. But I think this is a great idea. I think this is a great concept. Their company is amazing, so definitely check them out because I seriously cannot recommend their product enough.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse.
This desk used to be my vanity, so I have all my makeup organized in it on this side. So luckily all my makeup is already in bins, so I'm just going to pull those out and start putting it onto the other vanity so I can get it organized. These nice little trays come in like 2 to 3 packs depending on the size from Walmart for only 98 cents. I can't link it for you because they're not online because they're such a good deal. So if you ever need anything like that, definitely check out your local Walmart. They fit the IKEA Alex drawers perfectly. I do add a little like ticky tack to the back so they don't slide around. Some subscriber gave me that suggestion, so thank you so much if that was you, and it really does keep it from budging around. So as you can see, I'm just putting those in the best way they will fit. I can kind of tinker with it, and then I'm going to go back and grab some of my hair supplies. So obviously not everything that were in those 5 drawers will fit in my new 2 drawers, but everything that I use daily went over there, and then I'll just have my backups over in this piece, which works out just fine. I am so happy with how that turned out, and I'm so thankful to be able to sit down to get ready again. I haven't been doing that in a while. I did get that storage ottoman from Home Goods. I'm really happy with it. I like that the lid opens. I always love if a piece can serve like 2 purposes, so I can sit on it to get ready, and I can keep all like my curling wands, straighteners, hair dryers. I put like extra makeup bags for when I'm traveling all in that, so you can't see it. It's just nice and tucked away. So I'm so happy with how this part of the room turned out. But on this side, it is still a complete mess. So now we're going to focus our attention over here. I'm going to start by working on these drawers. So I'm going to pull most of the stuff out just so I can kind of reorganize it now that I've messed with it. I am wiping them out. I'm just using the Jaws wood cleaner again and their rag. I love their rags. They come matching with the products, and I just love that. Like if I'm using the green bottle, I have to use the green rag. Tell me if you guys are like that. So I'm just putting that in, and I also wanted to mention, just so you guys know, my coupon code is Ashley20, and it'll get you 20% off your entire order, which is a great deal. But now I'm just, like I'm saying, I'm putting those containers, I'm reorganizing, and just making everything fit again. Okay, now we're on to my necklace storage. I've been needing a system so bad, and once again, another subscriber, actually there was a few of you that suggested this idea to me, and it was such a good idea. I could not figure out where to put my necklaces. When this beauty room was on the other side of the house in the other bedroom, they would fit in the closet, but in here there was just no space for them. So you guys suggested the command hooks. Such a great idea, so affordable. Each one of those packages were only $2.88 from Walmart, so such a cheap way to do it. I went ahead and got the clear ones, but they have like metal looking ones, they have black ones, they have all different styles, and they won't mess up your pieces. So I just thought it worked out perfect. Then they're hanging because my necklaces get tangled so bad because I wear a lot of the long necklaces, and you're going to see me here in a second have to stop to like untangle them because they've gotten so messed up when they were hanging on my light bulbs. Okay, I did want to mention that that is not Pearl's permanent location. So if you're new, Pearl is my wedding dress. We named her over on Instagram, oh goodness, probably about a year ago. but I love having her displayed. I never wanted to like tuck her away and put her underneath the bed, so I just let her out in my beauty room. She is normally in front of my window, but right now it's Christmas time, so my tree's there, so for now she's just blocking all my purses and keeping them safe. I'm gonna call her my little security guard. So she will get moved back eventually, but that's why she's standing right there for now. She's just security. Here's a final look at my necklaces. Such a great idea. Thank you guys so much for this one. You guys help me out so much, probably more than I help you, so at least I can share it. You can see on the heavier necklaces, I did double up just so that it wouldn't pull it down. I think it would have been fine, but I did use like 2 hooks on those. Now I'm just going to clean up my mess. So for each one of those, there was like a little sticky on the front and the back, so I have paper everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up, and then I'm going to wipe down my desk because this is where my makeup has been. So there's kind of like liquid base for my fingers kind of all over it, and it's dusty. So I thought, hey, I have my products out, I'm filming a cleaning video, let's just go ahead and get this whole thing wiped down.
Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na na, yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Like, oh na 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 na. Like, oh na na, yeah. When you're around, I know I hardly speak. You got me now, oh baby. You make it so hard for a guy like me, rocking those hips like nobody. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming.
Oh.
You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh na na, yeah. Still waiting for the time to pass you by. You're out of my league, but maybe.
Now I'm going to work on just fluffing the cushions and my pillows. We sit on these a lot, so they just get smashed down, especially my Christmas pillows. They were in Christmas tubs up in the attic, obviously all year long, and I just pulled them down and they're a little smashed, so I just keep trying to like beat them to kind of fluff them back up.
Like, oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh na na, yeah. I can't hold it no longer. I can't hold it no longer.
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the floors. I do have a new rug I'm going to put down, but I don't want to put it down until I'm vacuumed, just since, well, first off, I just love vacuum lines, obviously, till vacuum do its part, so I just like it nice and fresh, but I was rearranging and had paper and moving makeup around, so I just want to make sure it's nice and clean. George had been outside and I guess got wet, so Chase had given him a bath, and so he came in there all frisky. You can tell he's all excited and all wet and ready to play.
Which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't.
So I ran to Ross and picked up this rug. I've actually had it before, but it was in Savannah's playroom, but George had an accident on it before he was house trained, so we had to get rid of it, but I was really missing it and wanting it in here for my beauty room, so I went ahead and rebought it. It's a really good deal. I feel like it clams up the space. You can see I went ahead and turned it. Once my tree's gone, I'll put it a different direction, but for now I just felt like that was best. But here is a final look at how the room turned out, but don't click off yet because I have more cleaning motivation coming your way. Okay, for everybody who made it until the end, you're gonna get some extra cleaning motivation. So this is my behind the scenes. When I'm working in a space, now if I'm not filming, I would have put this away as I went, but when I'm filming, it's just so much easier with my camera running and moving it around just to get it out of the scene. So now I have to clean up my hallway. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It feels so good to have all that done. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget, I have my JAWS coupon code down below in my description box. It's such a great deal. It's also great gifts for the holidays coming up. Women love to clean. I think everybody's always scared to give women cleaning products, but I think they're so fun to receive and to try new things. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.